State versus Juan Ortiz. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Arnulfo Ortiz for Juan Ortiz.
And are you Juan Ortiz?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
We did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortiz, did you review the true bill of indictment and each of these cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waived.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented in the cause number ending in 6-8?
Cause number 6-8, Your Honor, we are proceeding on count 1 and waiving.
Any objection?
No objection.
And the cause number ending in 6-7, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, and the cause number ending in 6-7, we are proceeding on count 2 and waiving count 1.
No objection.
And then Judge, just we're waiting the repeater enhancement on this bill.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Ortiz, did you review the documents entitled admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 6-8, the state is proceeding on count 1, which is possession with intent to deliver. Penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. In the cause ending in 6-7, the state is proceeding on count 2, which is a possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B, 400 grams or more as a first-degree felony. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 10 years to 99 years or life in prison and up to $100,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortiz, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No contest.
No. Has anyone threatened you or
No.
placed you in fear or coerced you to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page in each of the cause numbers?
Honor.
And the cause number ending in 6-8, the state is proceeding on count 1. And in the cause number ending in 6-7, the state is proceeding on count 2. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 14 years in the prison. There's a $5,000 fine. There's no applications. The causes will run concurrently, and the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 000621. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then, and the cause number ending in 6-8 to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And the cause ending in 6-7 to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
State offers states 1 and attachments in each cause.
No objection.
Any state you may be excused? I'm sorry, the disclosure.
I have to fill it.
Okay, thank you. In each cause number, did you review the documents entitled admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, Your Honor.
And each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
We are.
That's, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We asked the court to follow the plea agreement. But Mr. Ortiz has a large family and a loving family. They want him back as soon as possible.
All right. And cause number ending in 6-8, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 14 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $5,000 fine concurrent with 2025 CR 003667, taking consideration 2025 CR 000621, and there's to be no residing with minors. And cause number ending in 6-7, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 14 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $5,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 003668, taking consideration 2025 CR 000621. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification? Also, no residing with minors. Did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Let me ask you something. Do you have any children?
I do, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
All of them. One's 26, the other one's 25. I have an 18, a 17, and a 16.
And a 16-year-old. So,
Two grandkids.
and two grandchildren, what are their ages?
One is 5 and the other one's gonna be 2.
Okay, well, let me ask you something. So these drugs, methamphetamine and heroin, how would you feel if somebody in the chain of selling drugs, hey, I'm just doing this to make some extra money. How would you feel if they ended up with your grandchildren or your children at a party and introduced that drug to them?
I would not feel
Mhm.
good at all.
So what you were doing, that could have easily ended up being filtered down to your grandchildren or your children. This whole fast money thing that people are so apt to do, you cannot build your happiness off somebody else's misery. And I guarantee you, if you made any money from this, you probably don't even remember where it went because it wasn't earned correctly. Do you understand?
I understand.
So when you're sitting at the prison, you need to think about your children and your grandchildren and what kind of world you want them to have. And do you want this to be the world? And I read the police report where there are all these drugs in a house and there's a 12-year-old in there. And people saying they love their children. No, you don't. Because if you did, there would not be a 12-year-old when you have all these drugs in the house, and they could have easily got into those drugs. And I'm sure those drugs stink to high heaven. You understand?
I understand.
You're going to have to do better. All right, good luck to you. Thank you, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.